A magnitude 3.2 earthquake was reported Tuesday morning at 4:15 a.m. Pacific Time 11 miles from Coachella, Calif, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The earthquake occurred 13 miles from Indio, 14 miles from 29 Palms, 19 miles from La Quinta and 20 miles from Palm Desert. In the past 10 days, there has been one earthquake of magnitude 3.0 or greater centered nearby. An average of 234 earthquakes with magnitudes between 3.0 and 4.0 occur per year in California and Nevada, according to a recent 3-year data sample. The earthquake occurred at a depth of 2.8 miles. Did you feel this earthquake? Consider reporting what you felt to the USGS. Are you ready for when the big one hits? Get ready for the next big earthquake by signing up for our Unshaken newsletter, which breaks down emergency preparedness into bite-sized steps over 6 weeks. Learn more about earthquake kits, which apps you need, Lucy Jones' most important advice and more at latimes.com/unshaken. Oh
my god. Oh my god. I got it all on video, dude. Oh my god.